It's week 25 and I have just been diving in and looking at my planner as I get ready to plan with you this next week ahead. I did go into Planner Kate last week after we got off, and I looked at her new stickers for August, and I was not loving the newest ones that she just released. I think their sunflowers are like really bold. I feel like they're yellow, or maybe they're Lazy Susans or Susans. I don't know the name of them, but I want to say that's what it looked like. So instead, I bought an older August sticker set, and they just arrived. Actually, they arrived yesterday, so here's a little sneak peek, and I thought I would open them with you. We'll turn this around and I'll show you what I picked. They're really cute, and I think I'm gonna put them in. This next week, the next 2 weeks are gonna be really busy because I'm traveling, and I don't know what I'm gonna get in here, if much, because I'm not gonna take my planner with me, which gets me to, what do you do when you travel with a planner? Because this is big. This is so big. And I guess it's almost the same size as a laptop, right? So you could kind of just pop it in next to your laptop. And I do believe there are pouches that Laurel Denise has, and you can use those to pop your planner in. But it just seems a little too big for on the go for me, and a little bit overkill. So that gets me to the fact that I'm really looking forward to July and having my book bound, because I feel like this will be very convenient for on the go and if you are traveling. And I haven't set this up yet, but I have a feeling this is gonna work out really, really well for that. Let me know your thoughts about traveling. Do you get the mini portrait or the mini horizontal and use that instead? Have you started using your book bound? This is dated for July 1st, 2025. And so I'm gonna start using that really soon. I think we have like 3 weeks. So today we're gonna plan week 3 of June, and then we have 1 more week in June, and then we are halfway through the year. Yeah, pretty crazy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn this around like I always do. I will speed it up. I may talk, I may not talk, depending on what I'm showing you. And if you wanna skip ahead to different chapters, they will be marked, so just move yourself along. And it is pretty much the same system and the same thing that I do each week. Is we're gonna plan this next week together. We're gonna put our stickers in, and then I'll be back to chat about a week in review and all the things and what we're looking forward to next week. And so stick around, stay with me. And if you haven't been here before, I have 24 weeks, 24 videos that you can dive right into. So be sure to hit subscribe. You can go back, I'll link the series and you can check them out. And if you are interested in anything here, I've linked everything in my description box below. I do have a Laurel Denise discount code, and I'm an affiliate with her. I am not an affiliate with Planner Kate stickers, but I am loving them for this horizontal planner. And who knows if I'll stick with them year to year or whatever, but this is my first time ever using this planner. And I'm really just loving decorating, planning, putting them all in here, and it's just so fun to look at it. Every month is a little bit different. So thank you, hang tight, and we'll get scheduling, stickering, and everything for this week, week 25. Let's go in and do our Planner Kate daily stickers that go right along here. And you can see how they look right there. So there's a main sticker like this, and then you put one of these smaller ones. So let's get started with the next week. So this is week 25. I'm gonna lay down my washi and my stickers. I'll be quiet, I'll speed this up and follow along. And if you are planning as well, get your planner out and let's do it together.
So this is a final look at next week before I've sort of entered all my things. So I put this washi tape down, I think last week or the week before, and this means that I'm going to be traveling these days. And then this washi tape right here is because I used my meal planning right here. So if you look back here, I put all what I'm eating over there. Then this column right here is exercise and little things like it was hot, the weather was hot. I am not using my weather stickers, but like that. And then over here is to-dos, and I like to do these little boxes and check things off. And then these are sort of ongoing tasks right here. So I have that set up right here for this coming week, and I'll take a minute to fill this in a minute. And I sort of thought about this as I was putting these Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday down, and I just put them on top. And that doesn't bother me. I'd rather have it on top of the washi, and then I know that this is when I'm traveling. And then you can see next week I did the same right here. So there's room to put the days of the week right there. So anyway, that is what that looks like right there. And that's kind of a complete thing. And then I don't know if you've seen my July, but July looks great. It's very patriotic with the red, white, and blue. And I still need to work on filling some more things in here. Like these things need to be laid down. But for August, we have a blank slate, and I'm going to show you those stickers now. This is what I got. They're kind of pink and green. You can sort of see the colors like that. So let me unveil these, and we'll put these down together right now. I just took the August stickers out of the little clear bag, and Planner Kit is so cute because they always give you new little stickers to play with, and it helps you see other things. Look how cute these are. I love these. And then these little bubble, I don't know what you call them, like bubble little notes. And then I think these are so cute. You know, these just come as like a little gift when you purchase, and every time you order something, it's different. And then I really like these appointment labels because I can put the time, let's say 3 p.m. in there, and then what it is. And I've been using these, and I didn't have them for this month, June. So I'm kind of excited to have these for August. So these are all August stickers. And then these are cute little stickers that you can put here. Let me show you. You can put those stickers anywhere you want, but I like to put them down here in this little spot right here. So every week there's a different one that goes like right down here. So those are really fun. And then I got the weather stickers again because I don't know when I'm going to use them, but I really just think it's such a great idea, and I need to figure out where to put them in my planner. Then, oh, this is a new one. I don't have this, so this was a little gift they gave me as well to do family time, doctor appointment, tidy up. This is really cute. Trash day, water plants. Okay, this is really cute. I don't know what this is called, but it's Skew KMS. So this is a cute little add-on. And then these are the doodles. This is the doodle page that matches for the month. And they're always the same doodles, just they are colored to match the monthly stickers that you get. And these are the weekly stickers. This is this month. And this is it. This is August. And I will write down what it's called, but it's so cute. They're like, it's almost like back to school with the books, the lamp. And I just love the colors, and these like little drawing doodly lines were so cute. And how could I not pick this one? So I love the colors. I love this with the cross, like the little cross hatching on this one. So anyway, I may have to go back and order some more things just for August for these, but I'm going to put them down here now because, oh, see this one? Look at those. Those are so cute with the little doodle lines. And I have to utilize this one because this is so good. This is the same as the big banner, but I have to find a place for that. So anyway, I think these are so cute, and it just makes me excited for the month ahead. So I wanted to put them in now with you. So I will speed this up, and I'll just fill in August because I'm really liking having the months ahead planned. So now I've got July ready to go. Obviously I'm working in June. I have July, and now I'll have August. And so now I'll have some months ahead that I can add things into because I have them laid out. So I'll be quiet, and let's do the stickers for August together. that is all of the numbers put down for August. It got a little hard, so I thought I would just do it because you kind of have to crinkle these, and these yellow ones or orangey ones popped off, so you just have to kind of be careful. And then there are all these other great stickers that you can use for appointments or little reminders or anything. And ooh, look at that. I have to look that up. Which day is National Planner Day? I'm gonna have to look that up. I have no idea. Anyway, so let's look. I'll figure that out. And then I'm gonna put that there, and then let's turn this over and finish out August with this last page. You definitely need the tweezers, 100%. Those are so important. So let's go in and get these last 2 pages of stickers down. So these go here, right? And then this one, this long one, goes right over here. So I'm gonna put those in, so those will be set. And you just be careful, as you saw, that when you put them down, you just want them sort of straight. So line them up with this up here. Oop, let's hope I didn't. Okay, good. Sometimes it makes me a little nervous because they're kind of big. And then let's put these in. And I always like to sort of measure where they are. Because last time I kind of made a mistake. So I think if I line it up, see these little graph dots? I think it's okay if I just line it up with this one. Like that. Yeah, I think that's okay. Yeah, it'll work. So this one needs to be kind of close. So I'm going to put this one kind of halfway up. So it's close. And I just want to make sure I line it like that. And then this one, I think these cross hatches are so cute. I really need to start using these last pages. Let's see. Yeah, this just fits. So I should have probably moved it up a little higher, but that's okay. Oh yeah, it fits. It fits along the bottom, so that's fine. And then this August one. I could have put this over here, but I'm going to put it over there. It's fine. And let's see how this works. I don't like that. Will it fit? Yes. I'm going to start from the bottom up because I don't want to make a mistake. Like that. Oh yeah, that fits perfect. So that is August. And then there are these don't forget habits, events, goals, birthdays, projects, memories this month to do. So you could put these anywhere, you know, like right there. You could put it there. You could just use them anywhere in your planner. And then there are these stickers as well, these dots, some little kind of like note things. And these are fun too to use. So I still have those to use. So that is August all set. Let's look at it all together. So now we've got August ready to go. We've got July, and we are full on in June. Now I put one of the longer stickers, this one right here, so I could go back in August and do the same thing here and put it like right there and then cut it and then use that. I could also use it somewhere else, but I think these are so cute. I want to remember to use that. So that's everything for August. So let's check back and I'll wrap up for this video.
I'm actually so happy to have my stickers put in for 2 months ahead because I can project, add things into my calendar, into the big view, the monthly view, so I can plan ahead. I feel like just doing it 1 month at a time was a little bit limiting. So this is great. The only issue I have with this is that I do like to look at all of Planner Kate's stickers for the month, and we don't know what she has new for September. So I feel happy now that I've kind of projected ahead enough because I know and figured out what August ones I liked the best. And then hopefully, I guess in July, I'll be able to look at the September stickers. And like I said earlier, I was not excited about her new ones for August. I liked her older ones better. So there's usually 3 different designs for the month that you could choose from. So, and pick your favorite. And honestly, I love this one for August and July so much. I would repeat it next year if they came out again. I think they do. I think she leaves it for like 2 years or something. I'm new to this, so don't trust me on that. But anyway, that is week 25. I'm really looking forward to using the planner. And I think I mentioned in my sort of pre-chat that I am traveling the next 2 weeks. It's also, you probably saw it in the planner, and I'm not going to travel with this. So I'm just going to have to catch up on the weekend when I'm back and use it. I really am curious how you use a planner and what you do when you travel. And that's, I think, where in my mind I'm thinking a portrait, a mini portrait or a mini horizontal comes into play, or maybe even the book bound going forward starting in July. So keep me posted on that. If you have any thoughts about that, I would love to hear about it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new to the series, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. You'll get notified when the next week, which is week 26, is posted. And I think that's it. So I'll see you next week in week 26.